Hi guys, I'm Chelsea.
And I'm Bailey.
Oh
This is my
God.
YouTube
I
account.
totally got that on there.
And we are in Bomber News right now. And we just finished
We're
running
bored.
some shows to our Bomber News YouTube account, which is youtube.com/.
.com/Bomber News. We have Twitter too. Check that one out.
And I'm on those videos too.
I'm not.
Hi, Galen.
Hi Kaylin, I miss you.
We miss you.
Yeah, what she did.
Anyways. So what's up, guys?
Give me a
Okay,
Coke
bye.
now. No, keep filming, keep filming.
Why? We're not talking about anything. And I look painfully pale.
My hair's whack. Don't even. Like this. I should make a video. That'd be great. I want my own video. I want my own channel.
I got the channel, so I could talk to Galen. But I haven't really filmed anything.
You haven't friended her, did you?
No.
I friended her on Bomber News.
Let's friend her.
Like, you friend her. You said a friend request.
Friend away.
Bye.